What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. We have some rain coming, so I want to remove this cover so I can start getting this bed moist, because in the next maybe 2 weeks I'm going to start planting things out. So I'll bring you along, just quick show you how the leaves are looking, maybe move some back, show you how the soil's looking underneath. This has the mushroom compost and then the leaves. This has mushroom compost and leaves, but this side is the one that I ended up kind of flipping and mixing a little bit. So we'll see if there's any difference when I uncover them. So you can see the top's pretty dry. Right by the soil level is moist. And yeah, this is the mushroom compost. Looks like it's, I won't say it's breaking down, but it's definitely moist. So I guess that's a pretty good sign. And yeah, it's, as you can see, it's moist all the way down, so that's a good thing. But like I said, oh, and there's a worm. So this is looking pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and bring you over now to this other side. Okay. Yep, right away, spotted a worm. Same thing, this is really, really moist. Oh, got some ants up in here. So that's kind of another reason why I wanted to open it all up. But start letting some rain get in here. Yeah, so I'm pretty pleased with how both these bins are. I'm going to just go ahead and kind of like loosen up some of these matted areas of leaves, so it's kind of more like this. And then when this rain comes, it can help to penetrate down and really hydrate these beds before I go ahead and plant them out in a few weeks. If you guys have any questions, don't forget to drop them down in the comments. Thanks for coming along and checking out the video. Everybody have a great day.